the day of judgment. My dear brothers and sisters, there will come a day when everything we know, everything we see, everything we cling to, will come to an end. A day unlike any other day, a day that Allah has promised, a day that every prophet warned about, a day called the Day of Judgment. On that day, the world will not end quietly. The Messenger of Allah told us that the angel Israfil has already raised the trumpet to his lips, waiting, listening, not blinking, because he fears missing the command of Allah. And when Allah finally says, blow, the first blast will shake the universe to its core. The earth will tremble violently. The mountains will be uprooted from their foundations and crumble like dust. The oceans will explode, boiling like fire. The sky will tear open. Every living soul will die.